This tutorial shows how a survey's page breaks can be viewed and managed. The default setting for a survey's page length is set to Auto-Detect. Auto-Detect will insert a page break after every 7th item, unless branching has been applied. If branching has been applied to a survey, and the page length set to Auto-Detect, then only the page breaks that are the result of the branching logic will be used. It is important to appreciate that every survey page break acts as a checkpoint, where the response data up to the page break is saved. If long surveys are published with few, or no page breaks, then they may deliver poor results for those respondents who only partially complete the survey. In the Composer, the location of page breaks is shown by the presence of a page break or branch icon. In this example, the survey has no branching logic, and so will page break after every 7th item. When we review the survey, we can see that it would be better if the page break was to occur before, and not after, this section header. One method for adjusting the page break in this case would be to push the section header onto the next page by inserting a line item above. To do that, insert a line before the section header, and use the text format. Type in the HTML code P, encased between open and closed angle brackets. The section header has now been pushed down and now appears after the page break. The same process can be used here. The page break is now before the section header. If we delete the added line items, a second method for managing the page breaks can be demonstrated. For this method, we edit the survey's details. Locate the page length field, and instead of the default Auto-Detect, we can specify a page length value. We will set the page length to 6. On this occasion, setting the page length to 6 has achieved the same results as the first method. If the page length is reset to Auto-Detect, we can now show a third method. The third method sets page breaks using the branches facility. For what is to be the last item on the page, set the jump to value to next page, insert page break. We can easily add manual page breaks wherever we like. We have shown 3 methods for managing a survey's page breaks. The best method to use will very much depend on the specific survey. That is the end of this tutorial.